Welcome to my channel. Netgear admin password. Launch a web browser from a device that is connected to your router's network. Enter www.routerlogin.net. A login window displays. Enter your username and password. The default username is admin. The password is the one that you specified the first time that you logged in. The username and password are case sensitive. The basic home page or dashboard displays. Select Advanced Administration Set Password. For Nighthawk Pro gaming routers, select Settings Administration Set Password. Type your current password and type the new password twice. To have the ability to recover your password in the future, select Enable Password Recovery. Note, if you do not enable password recovery and you forget or lose your password, you must complete a factory reset and set up the router again. Click Apply. Your settings are saved. For any technical issue, call now. 1-866-889-0666. Thanks for watching.